How to activate AustralianSuper account. Hello future AustralianSuper members. Ready to activate your account and take control of your superannuations? You are in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate your AustralianSuper account hassle-free. So let's get started. Simply open your default web browser in your device and type Activate AustralianSuper into the search bar. Hit enter to initiate the search and look for the official AustralianSuper website or trusted source related to super account activation. Click on the link that directs you to the AustralianSuper activation page and click on the activation page. Look for the option to register or create an account. This may be labeled as register or sign up. Click on the register or similar button to proceed your activation with AustralianSuper account. You may be directed to the registration form where you'll need to enter your personal information. This may include your username, your date of birth, contact details, tax file number or TFN, and other relevant details. Fill out the required fields with accurate information. Then create a strong and secure password for your AustralianSuper account. Review the terms and conditions provided by AustralianSuper regarding the use of services. Then, once all informations are filled, you can simply proceed with submitting your registration form. You may receive a confirmation email or SMS to verify your identity and then activate your account. After successful activation, you'll gain access to your AustralianSuper account dashboard, where you can simply manage your annuations, make contributions, and track your investments, and many more. And this was everything about activating your AustralianSuper account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.